Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this Python course. So, in this sequence, we people are learning the directives which are used with the method strf time so that we can have our dates in different formats.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So, here I'm going to use percentile D, that will give you day of the month. So as usual, I would write import date time, then any object with any name, then I would write date time date time. Let me pass some 1947 and 8 1947 8 and this is 15. So it's very auspicious date for any proud Indian, because this was the day when our country India that broke the shackles of British Empire. Anyways, so this is 15th August 1947. Now what I want is I should print the day of month. So what I will do is I will be using percentile D. So I would print dt dot strf time within quotes percentile, then I would write D. Okay. Execute it, Control Shift F10. Yeah, this is the output. Day is 15th. It was 15th August 1947 and 15 was the day of day. So the day number has been printed. Similarly, what we people can use is we can use percentile B. Percentile B, what does it do is let me put it in comments, and dt is equal to now what we are going to do is we are going to use percentile D. So day is 15. Now let me use percentile. When I will use this percentile B, it is going to print the short version of the month that we are dealing with. So in this case 8 stands for month, which is August, so it printed AUG using percentile B. And similarly, if I happen to if I am in the requirement of printing the name of the month in full version, It's not difficult. You can simply use percentile capital B and your task will be Control Shift F10. Yes, as you can see, August is getting printed in full version. So these are some things which we people can use to format the date object, and similarly another is month of month as uh, using percentile M. Let me show you. Percentile M. Control Shift F10. M stands for minutes. So we have not mentioned the clock, we have not mentioned the time. That is why it is showing 0. Let it be small m. And when we used small m, it printed is the month. Right. Capital M stands for the minutes, the time that ticks away in on the computer system, and percentile M, small m. Right. It will print the month name. And simple, if you write percentile M month in the form of numbers. Okay. Another is, if you want to print year, what you will do is you will write percentile Control Shift F. As you can see, 47, which was the year, that is getting printed. But you may be surprised that the full year was 1947, but it is printing only last two digits, 47. You want to have the full version of the year. Instead of using small y, simply use capital Y. Now it will give 1947 and not only 47. Control Shift F10. This is 1947. Right? You might have understood. So this is how